Hi everyone, I hope you enjoyed your spring break. Ramadan Kareem. Are you ready for a new week of math? This is math week 4, day 1, Sunday, 25th of April. Perimeter. This is your to-do list for this session. The learning objective is to measure and calculate the perimeter of a rectilinear figure, including squares, in centimeters and meters. These are the resources needed for this session. Now, are you ready to calculate perimeter? Let's see. Perimeter is the distance around the edge of a shape. Click on each length to add it to the sum below. Add all length to calculate the perimeter of the shape. Now, I'll let you do that at your own pace. So for us to find out the perimeter, which is the distance around the edge, we need to add all the sides. 3 centimeters plus 7 centimeters plus 3 centimeters plus 7 centimeters. And do the same for all shapes. This is a square, another square, another square, a triangle. You think you can find or calculate the distance around the edge? Think you can? Triangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A hexagon. Another rectangle. Now, what can you tell me about the sides of a rectangle? Let's see here. Opposite sides are equal. How can we use this fact to reduce the amount of calculation needed to find the perimeter of a rectangle? What do you think? Perimeter equals 7 centimeters plus 3 centimeters plus 7 centimeters plus 3 centimeters. We have 2 sets of 7 centimeter plus 3 centimeters. So we have 2 times 7 centimeters plus 3 centimeters. We write it like this. So the perimeter equals 2 multiplied by 7 plus 3, which is 2 multiplied by 10. We know that 7 plus 3 is 10. 2 multiplied by 10 then equals 20. Can we do this using the new rule? It's about this. Okay, so the rule is P, which is perimeter of a rectangle, equals 2 multiplied by A, which is one side, plus B, which is the other side. Now you can watch this video and play around, form shapes, and try to find the perimeter. If you want to know you have done well, you should be able to measure and calculate the perimeter of rectilinear figures in centimeters and meters. You should also be able to use the perimeter rule of a rectangle, which is 2 multiplied by A plus B. What is your assignment? It is to solve page 52, 4B Pupil Book in your notebooks. Make sure you read and observe the example or hint boxes in the book to give you more guidance. When is it due? Today at 7. You know how to send it.